Welcome to the mall, everyone! Today is shopping day.
Look at this big shopping mall. There are so many stores here. I feel really excited.
Yes, Mia. This mall has everything we need. Let's stay together and be careful.
Dad, can we look at the toy store later? I really want to see the new toys.
Of course, Max. But first, let's help Mom with her shopping.
Oh, I love these beautiful curtains. They would look perfect in our living room.
Honey, come and see this smart TV. The picture quality is amazing.
Mia, let's go and explore that corner. I see something interesting there. Okay, Max. Let's go quickly.
Don't run inside the mall.
I almost fell down. The floor is so slippery here.
Are you all right, Mia? You need to be more careful. Running in the mall can be very dangerous.
I'm sorry, Mom. We won't run in the mall again. Look, that remote control car is so cool. I really want it. It's on the top shelf. Maybe I can reach it if I climb a little.
Max, stop! Don't climb on the shelves. It's very dangerous. The shelf might fall.
I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't think about that.
Let me help you. Here's your car. Always ask adults for help when you need something high.
Thank you so much, Dad. You're the best.
This coffee maker looks really useful. I could make fresh coffee every morning. These bowls are so pretty. I think I'll buy them.
Mom is still looking at kitchen things,
Just a minute, sweetie.
but I'm so bored. My stomach feels empty. Me too. I'm getting really hungry now. Look! Wow, look at that! That looks so yummy! Let's go! There's a bakery. Should we take one? They smell so good.
Kids? Wait! You cannot eat food before paying for it. That's the rule.
Oh, we didn't know that. We're really sorry, Mom.
It's okay. But remember this rule. We must always pay first. Let's continue shopping. We're almost done. These bananas look fresh and yellow. Perfect for our breakfast.
Mom, I'm still very hungry. Can we eat something now? My stomach is making noise too.
All right. Kids, let's go to the cashier and pay for everything now. Thank you for shopping with us. I am scanning your items now. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day too.
Thanks, everyone.
Yay, shop day!
Here you go, kids. Make sure you share with each other. Now you can eat your cookies.
Yay! Thank you!
This is for you, Mia. And this one is for you, Max.
Thank you, Mom! This cookie tastes amazing! Yes! It tastes much better because we waited. And did the right thing.
I'm very proud of both of you. You learned important lessons today about safety and honesty.
Can we come back next weekend, please? Please? We promise to be good.
Of course. If you remember what you learned today, we can come again.
We will remember everything. We will remember everything. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you, Mom and Dad.